was up, couponer? Couponing world. This is your homeboy, Mr. Couponer. So I am here doing a different video today. The video that I am going to show y'all how to do is how to make a meal off of $4. $4. Four. 1, 2, 3, 4. $4. I'm going to show y'all how to make a meal. Okay. Now, what I included with $4 is not including the butter. Most people have butter, right? So, I have the rice out. Most people have rice, but if not, your meal would be $5. I'm gonna show y'all how to make a meal. If you need a meal, so for the purpose of this video, okay? I'm not struggling. That's the rice. So, for the purpose of the video, I went out to Dollar Tree, right? I went to Dollar Tree. Y'all know Dollar Tree, they, sell meats and things, certain meats and stuff like that, right? The rice I had on hand, the butter I had on hand. So the items that I actually purchased, hold on, I'm missing some items, hold on. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So I knew, I was like, wait a minute, I'm missing some items. So, okay, these are the items. Most people have certain items in their pantry or refrigerator. Most people, they have butter. Most people, they have rice, for the most part, right? For Dollar Tree, I went, for the purpose of the video, I actually went out to, I lost my receipt. I was gonna show y'all the receipt. I went to Dollar Tree to see if I could make a meal, a whole meal for $4. Well, let's say $5, $6 and under, okay? $6 at the most, right? So they have the what's the John Morsel smoked sausage. I grabbed 2 of those. I already had rice. I already had butter. I bought 2 cans of tomato, okra, and corn for $1 each. Yes, they sell the name brand. Y'all may find it a little cheaper at other stores. Dollar Tree, it's $1 each. So, like I said, I had the rice, I had the butter. The only thing that I actually went out and physically purchased was 2 packs of the sausage and 2 cans of tomato, corn, and okra. Now, most people that have seasoning. Let me grab the seasoning to show y'all what I'm actually gonna add. Hold on one second. I guess I should have been a little bit better organized. Hold on. All right, we back for the second time. Okay, so the seasoning that I'm gonna use to add to the dish, this is, all the ingredients that you can use. Any seasonings that you have on hand, you can add it on there. So this is what I had on hand. Again, this is what I went out and purchased. 2 packs of sausage. The butter I had, 2 cans of tomato, corns, and okra. So that's $4. Dollar. Had rice already. Had the seasonings, right? Dollar General has these $1. So if you don't have seasoning, head to Dollar General, get the seasoning. But we are going to use garlic powder, onion powder, and y'all know I love my complete seasoning. I don't use salt 98% of the time unless it's needed. Complete seasoning has herbs and spices and things in there. Hell, I wish it was a sponsored video as much as I use it. But this has spices, no salt, but it adds flavor. If you put this on some baked chicken, All right, so we're gonna add some onion powder, garlic powder, and I'll taste it. If I need a little salt, I add salt, but most of the time I don't cook with salt. So these are our overall ingredients. I got the rice cooking, so we're gonna go ahead and chop up the sausages, and then we'll be right back. All right, y'all, your boy is back. So I went ahead and rinsed the sausages off. Yes, I rinsed it off because you never know what happened to that meat while it was in the factory. So yep, I took it out the pack and I rinsed it off. I chopped it up to bite-sized pieces. We're gonna put a little bit of butter to get the sausage started, because sausage make their own. They're not as greasy. They're not greasy. So we're gonna do that, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all. So I put the sausages in there. As you see, it's starting to, produce a little bit of oil, if you want to say. I put maybe a teaspoon of butter just to get them to start. Stir them up, get them a little bit brown to your liking. And once you do that, I'll show y'all what to do. I know I'm cutting in and out. I'm basically filming by myself, so yeah, I'll be right back. All right, y'all. So what we got here, as you can see, the sausage is in the pot. Put a teaspoon of butter in there just to get it started. But as you see, they've been cooking now for. You see that you're starting to get a little brown. So whatever the way you like to your liking. I'm gonna show y'all the way that I know they look like hot dogs, but they're not. So I'm gonna hook y'all up. $4, all right? We're gonna see how it come out. Be right back. All right, y'all. So now they'll look. They'll look a little Cajun, right? So it's not gonna affect the taste, right? So this is to the liking. I don't like them. That's good enough, but a few that has a little dark spots, that's cool. So what we're gonna do now is, hold on. We're gonna add the rice in. All right, so give me 1 second. Hold up, let me do that. All right, so I put the rice in. This is a big pot, okay? So this is gonna be a good amount. I would say this is gonna probably be able to feed a family of 4, probably in one setting, okay? So we're gonna add the seasoning. Like I said, we got the complete. I'm gonna add that in. It look like a lot. Like I say, it's not. It's just base spices and herbs. Onion powder. I'm gonna hook y'all up, y'all. Okay. Garlic powder. Okay. It look like a lot. It's not. Let me stir it up. Be right back. Alright, so I stirred up the sausage and rice. It look good, just like this all by itself, don't it? But guess what? We gonna spice it up a little bit. We're gonna spice it up. We're gonna add the old Red Lobster, not the new Red Lobster, because the new Red Lobster is nasty. So we're gonna add the new Red Lobster. We're gonna add the canned tomato and cone. 2 cans. Okay, liquid and all. Okay, and we're gonna stir that bad boy up. All right, so here it is. I guess you could probably say this is a little jambalaya, huh? A little jambalaya. Maybe. What y'all think it is? Let me know in the comment section what y'all think this is. What dish this should be. I think it came out good for $4, right? Like I say, 2 cans of tomato, corn, and okra. Rice. 2 packs of sausage. And like I say, this is a big pot. This can feed a family of 4. That's $1 per person, y'all. $1 per person. If you need a meal to get you to the next payday, this is how you do it. I'm gonna taste it and see how it came out. I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna let my honest truth on how it came out. All right, so give me a minute. Let me get a plate, and I'm gonna taste it to see how it came out. I'm gonna let y'all know if it's worth it. Give me 1 second. All right, y'all. So this is what it looked like. Okay, put a little bit on the plate. And this is a salad I made, one of my local stores. Had the spring mix marked down. A big thing of spring mix for 99 cents. So I'm gonna hook y'all up. I'm gonna clean that mess up, y'all. Don't pay no attention. That's from cooking. Let me see. Let me get that up. That's gonna cook 'em. Hold on. Okay. So here we go. It actually came out good, y'all. It's good. It's actually good. Now I want to go grocery shopping at Dollar Tree. That's on my phone. I want to go grocery shopping, but like I said, look at that. Sausage, tomato, and corn. If you have to, you know, get a meal or make a meal till your next payday, you got Dollar Tree. I'm telling y'all. Let me taste some of this salad. I had already had put dressing on it. So let me see. That's good too, y'all. Alright, so I took one for the team. Like I say, made that. That was under $4. Let me just experiment to try it. Alright. So y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, follow me over on Instagram at Mr. Couponer. Thank y'all for watching. Peace.